ladies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and I'm back with another video. Guys, Black Friday is upon us. I know you guys been probably waiting all year just to find the best unit at the best prices, and this video will not disappoint. You guys, I'm giving y'all another collab with one of my favorite new companies, XrsBeauty. I have done like a couple of reviews for them so far, and as far as all the new companies I work with, they're in the lead. Stay tuned to the install because I'm gonna let you guys know their rock bottom prices for Black Friday. You don't want to miss out. Okay, so let's look at what we're reviewing today. It's this beautiful straight unit. Now, one thing about XrsBeauty, I will say that I do know their straight units apart from a lot of my other units, just strictly because of the texture of their wig. I'm about to try it on for you for a second, but first let's look at the hairline. Before we look at the hairline, let's look at the lace, okay? Y'all know it's all about the lace, and they already came out the gate with this HD lace. You guys could see, look at my hands behind here. You can see how clear this lace is. They do have one of the better lace in the industry as far as from the units that I reviewed. And their hairline, now they did used to struggle, I'm going to tell you that. In my opinion, they always had like a really nice pre-plucked hairline, but their hairline never really quite fit my head perfectly the way I like it. So let me try this on and let's see if they have improved it in any way. And I can. Okay, it looks like they finally have gotten the hairline right, at least as far as concerned to my hairline. Usually the hairline will come just way too far in the front, and I always would have to cut off some of the hairline, but I think this is perfect the way it is. Okay, so now let's look at the hairline. Now I already told y'all they already had a really good hairline to begin with, and now that the placement of the hairline has been improved, this is perfection. So it's going to be pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So that means you're going to have a ready to install unit. And take a look at the texture of this unit. Now, I'm not really sure how this comes across on the screen, but I literally can feel the difference in the texture of this unit. But it's not like silky, like doll silky. I don't know, I just really like it. It's one of my favorite as far as silky units are concerned. Now, if you are looking for like a yaki unit, check out one of my other videos. I just did a few reviews on some yaki units. But if you're not and you're looking for something more along this texture, you're going to want to stay tuned. So to install this unit, I'm going to just do the tried and true lace spray because this works for me. This gives me typically about a 2 to 3 day hold. In my opinion, it's better than Gots to Be glue, but everybody has their preferences. Tie it down with the elastic band for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna leave that on the hairline for about 5 minutes. But while I do, let me get into the Black Friday sale. So XrsBeauty is offering their bottom line prices from now until midnight on Black Friday. So these are gonna be the lowest prices you're gonna see all year, and you can get 20% off, which is up to about $70 off for a unit. So you know that's a really good deal. These are quality units, so they don't come cheap, but I think they're fairly reasonable for what you get. I think I'm gonna do a side part on the opposite side that I normally do, just to spice things up a little. You guys know I always reach for my Faithfully Asia Beauty wax stick to lay down the hair and any flyaways on top. This gets the unit nice and sleek, just like how I like it. I'm loving the way this is looking so far. I already know this is about to be a bomb install. Let's go ahead and cut the lace. Now for this part, it's up to you. You can put this back on for 5 minutes, or you don't have to. It doesn't really matter. Just you want to make sure it dries. Just because I want it to be perfect, I'm going to just put it on for another, it doesn't even have to be 5 minutes. Honestly, it just needs to be until the glue dries. So I'm going to put it on for like another 3 minutes. Add this powder to the hairline to get it blend in with my foundation. So this is where the stocking cap is. You can see the line of demarcation and the difference in color. And I'm just gonna fill that in with concealer. Okay, so this is what this unit is looking like in this very basic state. This is a 13x6 frontal. However, the part in space only goes back 6 inches when you're in about the perimeter of this part of the frontal. So this is about as deep as you're gonna get for 6 inches, and then the rest is gonna stop more like around there. So let me go ahead and give you a close-up of this hairline after it's been installed. As you can see, this unit is pre-plucked very well. So it's going to give you like a nice gradation from the hairline to the hair. This hair does not have any tangling or shedding. As I mentioned, I do like the quality of their hair. It's one of the better quality units that I review. I feel like I owe you guys some baby hairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of baby hairs. But for my girls who don't like baby hair, this is what it's gonna be given. As you can see, very natural. Y'all, okay, so I finally finished my baby hairs. I know in YouTube land that probably took like 20 seconds. In real life it took me like probably about 3 days. Well, not really, but yeah, we almost missed Thanksgiving. Baby hairs is not my ministry, so I hope you guys appreciate it. Give me an E for effort if you want. But let's get into this unit, y'all. This is in 20 inches, I believe. Let me stand up so you can see where it lays on me. So it comes down here. So guys, now you know all these hair vendors always say spray the lace to your arm. I say a million times I'm not spraying the lace to my arm, but somehow they always send it. Now I'm gonna just put this really quickly on my forehead just so you can see the difference in their lace as opposed to the other lace. But I mean, it's installed, you could see the difference in their lace. You can't see their lace, so there you go. But the regular lace, the brown lace that typically comes in the standard units, and you could see how that blends with the skin. Now that doesn't blend too bad with my skin because I am dark skinned. However, if you're light skinned, that definitely wouldn't work. Now here's the transparent lace. The transparent lace I would say blends more with light skin complexion than dark skin lace. But then here's their lace, and as you can see, their lace is pretty see-through. So this blends with all complexions. That's the benefits of buying HD lace, and their lace is durable. The original HD lace used to be kind of weak, but a lot of these vendors have improved their HD lace so that they're a lot more durable. I'll put them all together on my forehead because that's what they asked me to do. And if you haven't guessed it, their lace is in the middle and you probably can't even see it. That's the point. And as always, guys, I will have everything used in this video provided in the description box down below. But guys, before we leave, I'm gonna need your help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And here's my outfit of the day. Shop this look and more at shopfabulous.com. Be sure and follow us on Instagram as well, where you get discounts on the units used in review on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, make make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. It is always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.